Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of boxing, a sport that transforms both body and mind. I'm excited to guide you through this comprehensive look at boxing, from its incredible health benefits to the techniques that make it such an effective workout. Let's start with what makes boxing unique. Unlike many traditional workouts, boxing combines cardio strength and mental focus in a way that few other activities can match. It's not just about throwing punches, it's about developing a stronger, more confident version of yourself. Imagine yourself in a boxing gym. The rhythmic sound of speed bags, the focused energy of fighters working the heavy bags, and the unmistakable atmosphere of dedication and determination. This is where transformation happens, and I'm going to show you exactly how and why. First, let's talk about the physical benefits. Boxing is one of the most complete workouts you can get. When you throw a punch, you're not just using your arms, you're engaging your entire body. Your feet push against the ground, your legs generate power, your core rotates, and your shoulders and arms deliver the final impact. This full-body chain reaction is what makes boxing such an effective calorie-burning activity. Did you know that an hour of boxing can burn anywhere from 390 to 558 calories? That's more than jogging or cycling at a moderate pace. But the benefits go far beyond just burning calories. The high-intensity interval training, HIIT nature of boxing, creates what we call the afterburn effect, where your body continues to burn calories long after your workout is done. Let's talk about cardiovascular health. Boxing training follows a pattern similar to professional fights: intense bursts of activity followed by brief recovery periods. This interval training is incredibly effective at strengthening your heart and improving your endurance. Your heart learns to work more efficiently, pumping more blood with each beat, which leads to better overall cardiovascular health. Now let's address strength and muscle development. Every punch you throw is essentially a resistance exercise. Your muscles contract explosively and then control the deceleration, which builds both power and control. The repetitive nature of boxing combinations helps develop lean, functional muscle throughout your entire body. Your core in particular gets an incredible workout. Every rotation, every punch, every defensive movement engages your abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back. This leads to better posture, reduced back pain, and that coveted core strength that carries over into all aspects of life. Balance and coordination improve dramatically through boxing training. The constant movement, weight shifting, and need to maintain proper form while throwing punches challenges your proprioception, your body's awareness of its position in space. This improved balance and coordination can help prevent falls and injuries in everyday life. But perhaps one of the most significant benefits of boxing is its impact on mental health. There's something incredibly cathartic about hitting a heavy bag. The focused intensity of a boxing workout creates a form of moving meditation where the stresses and anxieties of daily life melt away with each punch. The endorphin release from this high-intensity exercise creates what many call a fighter's high, a state of natural euphoria that can last for hours after your workout. This natural mood boost is particularly effective in combating stress, anxiety, and even mild depression. Self-confidence grows naturally through boxing training. As you master new skills, improve your fitness, and see your body transform, you develop a stronger sense of self-efficacy, the belief in your ability to handle challenges. This confidence often extends far beyond the gym, influencing how you carry yourself in all aspects of life. For weight management, boxing is particularly effective because it combines high calorie burn with muscle building. More muscle means a higher resting metabolic rate, which helps you burn more calories even when you're not working out. The variety in boxing training also helps prevent the plateaus that often occur with more repetitive forms of exercise. Let's talk about the social aspects of boxing training. While you can certainly practice alone, many people find that group classes or working with a partner adds an extra dimension to their training. The shared experience of challenging workouts creates a unique camaraderie among boxers, regardless of their skill level. Boxing also teaches valuable life skills: discipline, respect, perseverance, and the importance of hard work. Every time you step into the gym, you're not just working on your physical fitness, you're building character and mental toughness that serve you well in all areas of life. For those concerned about safety, modern boxing training can be as gentle or intense as you choose. Many people never spar or compete, instead focusing on the fitness aspects of the sport with proper instruction. For those concerned about safety, modern boxing training can be as gentle or intense as you choose. Many people never spar or compete, instead focusing on the fitness aspects of the sport. With proper instruction and gradual progression, boxing is a safe and effective way to improve your fitness. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Whether you're young or old, fit or just beginning your fitness journey, boxing can be adapted to your current level. The key is to start slowly, focus on proper form, and gradually increase the intensity as your fitness improves. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize that the benefits of boxing extend far beyond what we see on the surface. Yes, you'll get fitter and stronger, but you'll also develop mental resilience, confidence, and a sense of empowerment that can transform your life. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of boxing's benefits. Remember, every champion was once a beginner, and every journey starts with a single step, or in this case, a single punch.